How to change Outlook profile picture. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in outlook.com and search for it. With that you will land to the login page. Now click on sign in. Now enter your email, phone or Skype to login. After you type in, click on next. Now enter your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill it, click on sign in. With that, you will be logged into your account. Now at the top left corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Head towards the option of settings. Open it. Now click on this option of account. Click on view account. Now over here, you will find this option of add a photo. Click on it. Click on add a photo. You will get different options. Photo library, take photo, choose file. You can choose any of these options. Select the photo that you want to set profile picture for your account. Once you select it, click on done. Click on save. And with that, your profile picture will be changed. So this is how you can change Outlook profile picture. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.